In the era of modern medicine, we often overlook the power of nature in treating. Today, we are going to journey back to the earth and our roots. Let us tour the garden of natural solutions to finally put a stop to your struggles with piles. We'll start with the cooling wonders of aloe vera, a plant known for its healing properties. Not only will it soothe your burning pain, but it will also reduce inflammation. Follow this by a simple but very effective remedy, a cold compress. Expertly applied, it's sure to shrink swollen veins and bring relief. Then we'll explore the traditional Unani medicine system and their often used triphala powder. This potent mix of 3 fruits, amla, bera, and harer, that aids digestion and prevents constipation and cure pile when taken before bed. Lastly, we reintroduce you to the simplicity of warm water in a sitz bath, guaranteed to soothe and comfort. These are time-tested remedies. To get ready-made formula for pile, contact 03244033839, completely natural and easy. So let's dive into each one and help you say goodbye to piles. For further consultation and complete treatment, contact herbal consultant physician Malik Mushtaq Ahmad 03244003839. Please like and share.